Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Hailuo AI video generation problems. If Hailuo AI isn't generating your video correctly, don't worry. There are several simple things you can check first. Start by checking your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can sometimes cause generation requests to fail or take longer than expected. Next, review your prompt. If your prompt is extremely long, confusing, or contains too many complicated instructions, try simplifying it. Focus on the main subject, action, environment, and camera movement. If you're using image to video, check your uploaded image as well. Use a clear image with a visible subject and avoid images that are extremely blurry or difficult to understand. You should also check whether Hailuo AI is currently experiencing a temporary service problem. If everything looks correct on your side, waiting a little and trying again may solve the issue. If a generation gets stuck, refresh the page and sign in again if necessary. You can also try creating a simpler test video to see whether the problem continues. If the first generation fails, avoid repeatedly sending the exact same request. Change the prompt slightly and try again. Finally, make sure you're using the latest version of your browser and that the browser is working properly. And that's how you can troubleshoot common Hailuo AI